From peanuts to perfect paste, we all love the creamy and nutty flavor of peanut butter, spread on toast, or just straight from the spoon. But do you know how it is made in factory? Our journey begins with harvesting of peanut in farms, where this machine gently lifts the plants from the ground, flipping them upside down so the peanuts are exposed. The plants are left to dry in the field for a few days, allowing moisture to evaporate and preparing the peanuts for storage. Then a harvester collects the dried peanuts, separating them from the plants. The harvested peanuts are then sent to processing facilities. Raw peanuts are sourced from farms and arrive at the factory where they go through a rigorous quality check. Any peanuts that don't meet the required standards are removed to ensure only the best make it to the production line. Next, the peanuts are sent through cleaning machines to remove dirt, stones, and any remaining debris. Once clean, the peanuts go through a shelling process where the outer shells are removed, leaving behind the nut itself. They are then inspected again to ensure there are no contaminants left. The cleaned ones are now ready for roasting. They're loaded into large industrial ovens and roasted at specific temperatures to bring out their rich and nutty flavor. Roasting is a critical step as it enhances the flavor and aroma. Different roasting levels can be used depending on whether the final product is intended to be light, medium, or dark in taste. After roasting, the peanuts are quickly cooled to halt the cooking process. They then undergo blanching, where the outer skins are removed. This step ensures that the peanut butter has a smooth consistency without any unwanted texture from the skins, or any remaining impurities are removed during this stage as well. Now comes the primary step in making peanut butter: grinding. The peanuts are fed into large grinders where they're crushed into a coarse paste. The paste then goes through a second round of grinding, making it even finer. For extra smooth peanut butter, some factories use a third grinding process to achieve an ultra-creamy consistency. Once the peanuts are finely ground, additional ingredients are added to create the desired flavor and texture. Salt, sugar, and sometimes a bit of oil are mixed in to enhance taste and ensure smoothness. If the peanut butter is meant to be crunchy chopped, peanut pieces are added at this stage. These pieces are mixed in with the smooth peanut butter base to create a crunchy texture. For smooth peanut butter, the mixture remains as is without any additional pieces. Before packaging, samples of the paste are taken to the quality control lab. Once the peanut butter passes all quality checks, it's ready for packaging. The peanut butter is poured into sterilized jars on an automated filling line. Each jar is filled to a precise level, sealed and labeled. The sealed jars then pass through a cooling tunnel to help the peanut butter set before shipping. Finally, the jars are packed into boxes and stored in a temperature-controlled warehouse, ready for distribution. And here we have peanuts goes into a large coating drums, where melted chocolate is gradually poured over them. The coated peanuts are then sent to a cooling area, allowing the chocolate to harden with a smooth, glossy finish. Finally, they pass through quality control before being weighed, packaged, and sealed to ensure freshness.